Hello guys, welcome you all to my channel. I am Tapas Mukherjee, your online teacher. Today I am back with another video, and this time I have made a video on English grammar, that is a chapter on participial adjective, which is in the syllabus for class 7 and 8. Okay, but before I start my lesson, I would like to say something about what is adjective. We all know that adjective is a word that is used to qualify a noun or pronoun. Qualify means to describe its quality, quantity, condition, degree and number. Now, when a participle acts like an adjective, that is called participial adjective. Okay. Now, let us discuss about what is participle. Participle is a word with ing words with the main form of the verb, and that acts like an adjective, which is placed before a noun to describe it or to qualify it. This is called participial adjective. Now, we know that participles are of three kinds. Number one, present participle. Number two, past participle. And number three, perfect participle. But our today's discussion is based on present participle and past participle, because participial adjective is related to these two types of participle. Now we have already discussed what is present participle. Present participle is the form of the main verb with ing words. For example, run plus ing, running, boil plus ing, boiling, etc. Main verb with ing forms is called present participle. What is the function of present participle? Present participle denotes an incomplete action or an action which is in progress. This is present participle. I have seen the setting sun. Ami astomito surjoke dekhechi. Setting sun. Here setting placed before the sun indicates the condition of the sun. Like another word is like retired teacher. He is a retired teacher. Retired teacher, ed, it is past participle. Okay. Now let us discuss what is past participle. Past participle is that form of a verb that ends with d, ed, t, en, n, etc. And past participle denotes a completed action or which is no longer in progress. It is called past participle. Okay. Now, when a present participle or past participle acts or performs like an adjective, placing before a noun or pronoun, before a noun, acts as an adjective, it is called participial adjective. Participial adjective participle does the work of an verb and an adjective. So it is also called a verbal adjective. Okay, it is also called a verbal adjective because it acts like a verb and an adjective. It also acts like an adverb. When the base form of the verb with ing or d or ed, t, n, en works as verb, adjective or an adverb. It is called participial adjective. Now I have divided into two columns. Number one column, present participle, boiling water, sleeping baby, blooming flower. In past participle, injured dog, broken chair and rotten egg. These are present participle example and these are past participle example. Okay, now look at the examples. Pick out the participial adjectives from the sentences. Number one, a rolling stone gathers no moss. How is the stone? The stone is rolling, ing, roll plus ing, rolling. This is present participle. Don't eat rotten mango. Rotten mango, don't eat rotten mango. Here rotten is the participial adjective. A barking dog seldom bites. A barking dog, here barking is the participial adjective, ing form, present participle. This is past participle. This is again past participle. A lost opportunity never returns. Number 5, this is an interesting story. Number 6, do not sit on a broken chair. Number 7, it is a boiled egg. Boiled egg, not boiling. That means the boiling of the egg is completed. Now it is in such a condition. It is in a boiled condition. Number 8, look at the rising sun. Rising. Okay. আজকে এখানের মতোই থাক। পরের দিন আমি শেখাবো, I will teach you how to join two sentences using participle. Okay, let's call it a day. Thank you. সবাই ভালো থেকো, সুখে থেকো। Thank you.